What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a install going on, and this time it is not for the SS, or my SS at least. Today is for my friend's SS1LE. We got some side skirts and a rear diffuser to install, so we're gonna get into it. And here's the ACS composite ZL1 style side skirt, and it's got the same finish as like the hood and the front splitter that comes stock on the 1LE, so that's why he got them. And here's the diffuser back here. It's kind of just laid out ready by Street Aero. We already like pre-assembled it. We just gotta basically get it mounted up, and I think it's gonna look sick. So let's get right into the install. Okay, so we got the side skirts on. They look pretty good, and it fits super flush. We used some rivets. You can see same like design as like the one that I did. And we started on the diffuser back here, and we did the side ones. And all we did for the sides were we put in one of the hardware screws that they gave us, and then two of these self tappers, one up here. We actually used three, one right there and one right there, and we kind of just measured it to stick out like how we wanted it to, and it looks pretty good, and it's pretty sturdy. And we're about to work on this middle piece, so we'll get back with you when we're done. Screw here, one of these self tappers, one right here, and well, one right here. And we actually reused these stock bolts that were here before this was on, and just ended up using the 4 screw holes, one right there, and here and here. And this thing it's solid, it's not going nowhere. And on the sides, again, used a few of these self tappers, one of these screws that they provided, and had a nut and a washer on the back, and it's also solid, and it looks freaking good. Honestly, it doesn't stick out as far as it looks in pictures, so it actually makes the car look a lot better and way more aggressive. All right, guys, so it's a different day. It got dark, so we couldn't really see it, so got daylight out now, so y'all can get a pretty good shot of it and see how clean it turned out. And it doesn't stick out incredibly too far. Like, it does stick out a good bit, but like in pictures it looks like it sticks out way further than it should, and it looks really good like driving down the road too. And the side skirts turned out really well too. They're still on, so that's always a plus. This car just looks so sick. We put these 1LE badges on too, with the white one and the black LE. It's just, everything's tying in so good with this car, with the badges and all that. I think the car aesthetically looks amazing, and he's got some more stuff coming to it, and we should be doing a video. Probably the next video that you see is probably going to be another install for another part for this car to make it look pretty much just about perfect, to be honest, and wrap up the whole car in itself. Alright, you guys, so if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like. Let me know what you thought of in the comments. Be sure to tune into the next one where we're going to be doing the next mod to his car, and we'll see you in the next one.
Shit don't work like that though. Time to get paid. Stayed up, clean the night, counting cheese. All my dog behind them prison bosses. waited, seen the plug trying to overtake me. They ain't waited, seen the plug trying to overtake me. Got it all bad, set the hit through the bed. It's out of bags in. My cell phone tweaking. They were asking questions like what that mean. My cell phone ringing. Me and Angel like Bunny and Clyde, we like Martin and Gina. Nigga was trying to backstab me, talk down in and out.